So for today, I will teach you how to stop recurring payments on your Chase application. So first, you need to open your Chase application and access your account by simply logging in or signing in by entering your credentials for you to able to access it. And after that, after clicking the sign in, you will be able to go to your dashboard and simply navigate to the select the account. And once you're in, just find the show details button. And after you click it, you can now edit or cancel your automatic payment or just simply click manage whether you wanted to edit or modify the specific payment method that is set as automatic or recurring, which is the recurring means the prearranged payments, which is also known as automatic payments. So if you don't see it on the show details option, just simply contact their chat support for you to able to tell your concern that you wanted to stop recurring payments on your Chase app. And that's how you stop recurring payments on your Chase application. If you found this video super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.